with the extra large coffee, rocking the hookah. And where are we heading out to today?
The Everglades.
We're heading to the Everglades and Alligator Farm.
Yep, get on one of those boat tours.
All right, awesome.
Alligators.
Boat tour, Alligator Farm, the Henrys, and we are on our way there now.
He's being, it's right over there.
He's joking.
Yeah.
Right, you don't really need them at the moment. Right now, you're just gonna want to get your cameras ready. These things not having brakes are a little tricky. Of course, if anybody by chance happens to fall out, don't panic. Splashing does it.
He didn't advise us to keep our arms and legs inside the boat.
Right, so what'd y'all think? Everybody have fun?
Yeah.
Not too bad for my first time. Well, if you guys would like, feel free to stand up, look around, take some pictures.
Yeah, okay.
Which, to let you guys know a little about the area that you're in today, which is known as the Eastern Addition to Everglades National Park. Parcel of land which was purchased from the state back in 1986 to then become part of Everglades National Park. It's a little over 140,000 acre parcel, which was purchased and then, of course, becoming part of the park, which from where Gator Park sits along the trail here, it's a 20-mile stretch to the Florida Bay. Everything between here and there, of course, makes it the fourth largest national park in the nation, which is just over 1.5 million. So the place is pretty big. Now, as well, a little about the terrain, which most places in the area, you do sit roughly between like 7.5 to about 8 feet above sea level, so it is full fresh water. And quite shallow too. The average depth of water out here is right about a foot
don't get me too close, man. Oh, you see him?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go back up.
Much more than maybe about
Look at
a
that.
half or so.
Okay. They don't stay with their parents, their mother?
Well, for the first year, Mama will stay with her babies, but it's really just to kind of help them with better survival rates, kind of fend off predators. From day one, they do catch their own food. We hatch from an egg, which is about the size of a chicken's egg, at about 5 or 6 inches long. And normally after about the first 8 months to a year, Mama will abandon her babies.
Oh, who is that out there?
There you go, sorry.
Be careful.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Big fish beside it too. What? They don't eat the fish?
Yeah,
You must be full.
possibility.
Wow. After I just
No,
said,
not really.
after I just said I can't imagine a big one.
Temperature still being kind of cool. They can get away, depending on how big of a meal. They can get away with eating once every couple weeks. If it gets really cold, sometimes a month or more.
Across the road. Godzilla. He's trying to flank us.
Part 2.
Part 2 goes.
Alright guys, part 2. Oh,
So the second row.
It was in the
Second row. Can't be in the first row. What's west side? That's my bird over there. No walking up. No walking up. No walking up. That's my bird, Boudica, Moluccan cockatoo. When she goes off like that, that's basically an alarm bark. What she's telling me is there's an alligator coming up under the dock over there. There's one in the grass over there. And I'm feeding them today. They don't eat every day. Every 2 weeks in the summer, 2 months in the winter. Alligators out there can smell it. And so they're working their way this way. When she goes off, that means there's an alligator right over there. Water's fine.
you heard that?
Okay, a couple things. These guys are going to be walking around. Some get right to the edge. State law, I need to keep everything 5 feet away. If you're in the front row taking pictures, your cameras do not go past your knees. No reaching in. No polls. No selfies. I'll do this.
I have no tickets. I have any tickets.
We're all four of us together.
Everybody else has held her so far. I'm kidding.
Esmeralda.
We can handle her. You see, this way, you guys get to see a scorpion up close and personal.
Oh my gosh,
That
dude.
thing's ugly.
Yeah, but he said he wanted a picture.
Yeah.
Smile. I tell you to smile, but I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Now, you notice with her, she has very large claws.
Yeah.
Most scorpions have small claws. These guys come here. Have you been on the boat already? Do the boat first, then you come here. Boat first. Big claws. Most have small claws. Rule of thumb, bigger the claws, less they use their stinger. These guys will pinch instead of sting. When we can handle her, you don't want to pick up a Florida scorpion. Now, these guys, movies all the time, because they're big, nasty looking, but very easy to handle. Here, watch, catch.
I would have swatted it. That would have been in there. He would have, his butt would have ended up in the sand with those gears.
I have a question. Do you guys know how to read a clock?
Now, is it really feeding time? Or was he just like, no, he's going to feed him?
Most scorpions, if you're stuck, it's a beast. Bernie!
Oh.
Bernie.
Marinus, Bernie.
Oh, Bernie.
Bernie, that's his
Like Bernie Sanders.
That was Bernie Levine is what his name
Oh,
was. Guy who's, I did shows at Parrot Jump, and that was the owner.
okay, gotcha.
He was in the show, so that's where it started.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, you're not gonna get warts from handling frogs and toads. But something toads have that frogs don't are the bumps on the neck. Poison. Dog eats a toad, makes the dog sick, teaches that dog, don't eat any more toads. These will kill a dog or cat. They're all over Miami. They don't come from here. They come from South America. One crate fell off cane toad in Australia. Introduced eat the bugs in the sugarcane fields. Now they've taken over the place. You two together.
Yes, she'll have it.
Sir, do you have a camera?
Yes, sir.
Have it ready. You'll know the picture. You're not gonna hold it, don't worry. You're not gonna
Yeah, ready? Look at that belly. I know, he's so fat.
frog-a-dap in the water, toad-a-dap in the land. Toads hop, frogs jump. Toad, short little hop. Frog, big, long leap.
He's trying to get away.
So hence,
Oh, yeah.
you eat frog legs, not toad legs. No meat on a toad leg. Little bird.
He's like, leave me alone.
Okay. Alligator. He got in big trouble. These are very difficult to get away from. It's a big
It looks so
mess.
real. Oh, no, it's his hand.
It
looks so.
investigation
No,
that
that's not his hand.
follows.
It is. It's how
So
cute.
please stay seated. Do not get close.
That is so
Reach
cute.
with
I know.
cameras.
It's clever.
That's clever.
Yeah, right? I'm like, that looks so
Twitches
real.
for 3 days after they rip it off.
Did you just flip the
He said it twitches for 3 days after they rip it off.
That's where they stay in their tushes. Had to be removed from the wild because they're going after people. Why are they going after people? You see, if you feed an alligator in the wild, they lose their fear of man, associate man with food. Eventually, man becomes food. Every year, over 1,600 alligators are killed because people feed them. Now, it's not so much the guy who feeds the alligator, it's the one who walks by 2 weeks later when they're hungry again. if you read the paper, now this got wet, so it's tough to read. But last year they ate a lady. 2 arms were taken out of the stomach of this alligator. Arms.
Of the alligator here?
Not one of these. They had to kill them to get the arms.
Oh.
Actually, there were 7 alligators in the lake. They killed every alligator trying to find which one ate her.
Oh.
Wow. Do not feed alligators. Wait, why? Only eat about every 2 weeks in the summer, every 2 months in the winter. They do not eat every day. And when they do eat, who wants it? They only eat like 5 pounds of meat, 2 kilos. Kind of like a snake. So what I'm doing today, I'm just giving these guys a couple bits and pieces, trying to stretch it up.
He's not very good.
Yeah, right? It's right there.
He young.
Do you think you can reach through and grab that piece of meat for me?
That's alright. Help him out.
I mean, your hand's skinny enough. But just promise you'll at least get up to here. So I can use it for the next show.
Okay.
How do you think I got the last one? Yeah, they don't eat it.
Oh, no. Hell no.
Now, all reptiles are cold-blooded, meaning they have to sit in the sun to get warm. They need to be at least 84 degrees Fahrenheit to digest food. Too cold and they eat something that rots in their stomach.
Oh.
These guys, all the bumps on their back, each has a bone and a blood vessel. They act like solar panels helping to heat up the body.
You hear this?
Now, the question I get all the time, why are these guys eating me? Why don't they go after me? I'll tell you my secret. I went camping last summer with an old Indian chief. Brought me to these ancient ruins in central Florida. There, I got one of these. An Osceola stone. Now, the forces of nature get focused into one of these stones.
You see that?
And as long as you have one of these stones in your possession,
Oh, they run from the stone.
no animal will ever hurt you.
Wow. Wow.
Come on, y'all doing that.
Now you gotta figure.
Well, why did they run away from him
Are
though?
extreme. Just pick one up from the rock pile over there. That's where I got this one.
Wow.
out the gate.
What's that? The gate? Oh, the gate? That doesn't look good, does it?
No, he didn't eat. The big guy.
I know.
Okay, right here.
There we go.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Now, an alligator has 80 teeth.
Oh.
Lose a tooth, they grow it back in 2 to 3 weeks. They go through about 3,000 teeth in it. They can bite, chew, kill underwater, and not drown. Now, when they walk along, it's a plenty-gay gait. Opposite legs, move at the
Get
same
that rock.
Whoa.
kind of crisscross.
Oh no.
Alligators are also one of those few animals that can walk upright on all 4, stretch out with all 4. Most mammals, dog, cat, sheep, pig, goat, horse, deer, cow, can't stick their arms out to the side. Guys, you're free. You're free. Run away. They may be primitive, they're not ignorant. It's a jungle out there.
But at that.
All right. Jaws. jaw. 3 months.
Oh.
This little guy is gonna grow to 18 feet, 6 meters. World record, 19 feet 2 inches. That's from the black line to the end of the wood. They get big. Take them 40 years. Now they come from an egg the size of a chicken egg. Egg turns out to be a boy or a girl, depends what temperature it was incubated. Keep the eggs above 89 degrees Fahrenheit, all male. Below 84 degrees Fahrenheit, they'll all be female. A lot of people feel that's one of the theories on the demise of the dinosaurs. Thinking of global climate change, all the eggs came out one sex, hence they couldn't reproduce. It's the same for turtles and tortoises. Now you chose that seat your own free will.
Snakes bug.
No. No, they really don't.
I don't have it. Just alligators.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at him.
Larry,
Larry.
3 years old.
Oh.
Nose, eyes, ears, top of the head. They can be almost totally underwater hiding. Still smell, see, hear, everything. When they're just hanging out, nose, eyes, ears above water. When they're hunting, only the eyes are above water. And when they're moving along just below the surface, the design of these scoots, these bumps, it's the same as crocodiles. No ripples on the surface. Sneak up on you. You'll never see them coming. Larry's brain, size of a pea. 8-foot alligator. Never seen alligator cure.
He's coming behind you.
He's looking hungry
He
too.
looks a little sleepy. That's why you fed him so much.
You never see an alligator playing. You never see an alligator cure.
It looks like he's
If they're
smiling.
checking something out, it's to eat it. Now, a lot of people say if an alligator's chasing you to run zigzag, they would catch you before you make your first zip. It's deceiving. They're very fast. Lightning bolt out of
Doesn't
the
it look like
water.
he's smiling?
They catch deer, they catch birds, they would catch you.
Don't do it.
No.
Again, the power of the stone. These work on tigers and lions too. Try it. Make sure someone's filming. The minute you touch. So the key is, alligator chasing you. Yes, don't touch the inside of his mouth.
Look at me.
Oh, he's trying to get away.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
She's loose. Hot it is.
Words to live.
And it's looking at him.
Birds born here in the United States than they have left in the wild in the Moluccan Islands. Habitat destruction. Cut down the rainforest. Not just the trees we're losing all the animals that make their homes in the trees. Well, this pretty much concludes our presentation today. I hope you learned a little bit about the alligators. But just to remind you, Boudica, this way. These guys are working animals. They do support themselves.
Oh.
If you enjoyed the show, that would be greatly appreciated.
Pictures, I
Again,
got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright, so we got a chance to see the alligators, guys.
Yep.
Luxury.
Look at that tree. Take a picture of you guys with under this tree.
Yeah, for sure.
Says keep out live alligators.
Yeah, I wanted to get a solo picture.
I'll get one of you.
Nice idea.
fried gator tail sandwiches.